Welcome to my channel. Why hybrid car transmission repairs cost so much in 2026. 1. Hybrid transmissions are more advanced. Hybrid cars use both an electric motor and a gasoline engine together. Their transmission systems are much more complicated than normal cars, so repairs cost more. 2. Special parts are expensive. Hybrid transmission parts are not cheap. Many components are electronic and designed only for specific hybrid models, which increases repair prices. 3. Fewer mechanics can repair them. Not every repair shop knows how to fix hybrid systems. Certified hybrid technicians charge higher labor fees because of their special training. 4. Battery and transmission work together. In many hybrid vehicles, the battery system connects closely with the transmission. If one part fails, extra testing and repairs are needed. 5. Diagnostic tools cost more. Repair shops need advanced computer scanners and software to diagnose hybrid transmission problems. These expensive tools increase service costs. 6. Replacement parts take longer to arrive. Some hybrid transmission parts are imported or limited in stock. Waiting for rare parts can raise overall repair expenses in 2026. 7. Labor time is higher. Hybrid transmission repairs often take more time because mechanics must safely disconnect high-voltage systems before starting work. 8. Technology keeps changing. New hybrid cars come with updated transmission technology every year. Repair shops must constantly learn new systems and buy updated equipment. 9. Warranty coverage is limited. Some hybrid transmission issues are not fully covered under warranty, especially after high mileage, leaving owners with expensive repair bills. 10. Regular maintenance helps save money. Changing fluids on time, fixing warning lights early, and driving carefully can help avoid major hybrid transmission failures and reduce repair costs.